I'm gonna take that plywood out though.
No, I can just disperse these coals and we'll widen it out.
Yeah, but there's fires there.
No, there's lots of them right here. That's hot.
No, just leave it. Don't spread it all out.
No. Who, me?
Hey, no
Don't worry
deal.
about what I'm doing.
Oh, I don't know what the hell you're doing.
It's so shiny. Pretty.
God damn it. Oh, man.
Look how pretty.
Oh, let's get some wood. Yeah, this should be good in here. What's in there will burn, for sure. It won't catch on fire.
Yeah. Well, I suppose we can get Bentley. Get going.
Sorry, I
Get.
didn't yell at you guys.
Like this?
You hear me? Al?
No.
Yeah, pour this out.
Here.